What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Crypto Beard. My name is Devin, and today we're going to talk about how you can make $1 million in crypto. This channel is devoted to keeping you in the crypto sphere, so let's get into today's video. So guys, in keeping you up to date with what's happening in the crypto sphere, I want to tell you about what's lacking. And what's lacking is mobile development. There's not a ton of great mobile dApps right now in the crypto space. Now, with that said, when you look at dApps and you look at valuations, it is clear that there is billions and billions of dollars to be made in this space with the right ideas and the right technology. When I say the right technology, the base of the technology is there. It's how do you apply it? So, how do we apply blockchain to things today to make them better? Well, a clear problem that we've seen recently is in social media, right? You had Twitter quick kick off the president. Now, whether you love him, or hate him, I think most people would agree a decentralized social network where there's not this entity that is ruler of all truth. I think we can clearly see that decentralization would be a great answer to this problem. So, with that said, a decentralized social media dApp would do awesome. I'm sure it would be a $1 billion idea. However, I have yet to see that executed well. And how could you do that? Well, the governance token, you can do a yield token that rewards people for their input, for, likes, things like that. You can make that, you can monetize them, tokenize them really, and reward the community that way, giving the community a vote, giving the community a voice. I can't solve all the problems for you in how this works as far as how to go about it, but if you can come up with a reward system in your mind, if you can write down a strategy, guys, these ideas are executable. You can team up with developers. There is a lot of value in being able to come up with an idea, organize it, and execute it. And that's really where you're going to build solid value. And this is it's a lot easier to go about it doing this way. And when I say go about making $1 million in crypto, doing it this way, creating something of value, than just say, hedging a bet on some coin that you think is going to go to the moon. Now, I'm not saying that there's not a place for that. I'm not saying, ignore the other things. Clearly, that's what this channel is about. However, how to bringing about value always wins. So, with that said, guys, number one, social media dApp that is built for mobile. Okay, all these ideas are going to be keyed in on mobile. So the next idea, what you can do is you can do a mobile-based gaming app where, players can earn your token simply by playing the game. There is all sorts of examples of how this is successful. But clearly what's lacking in this space still is the lack of mobile-based. Okay, so many of these dApps, many of these games aren't geared towards mobile. If you can gear yours towards mobile and focus on that and do it better, there's already clear structures for you to follow and to do really well. Okay, so we had number one, mobile-based social media. Number two, mobile-based gaming. We've seen that clearly do well with Axie Infinity and other projects, but there's plenty of improvements to be made gearing it towards the mobile user. And number three, our final tip is going to be a utility dApp. Now, what do I mean by a utility dApp? This can be either a DEX, which is a decentralized exchange that is more geared towards mobile. So you already kind of have a base to work with. You can do just a better job, a better looking dApp on mobile, and boom, you can create something that is of epic value. And when I say epic value, it's easy to do that and launch it and to easily watch it grow to over $1 million business. If you go and you use these dApps, think of the improvements that you can bring. I can think of several improvements that I could bring, and I plan on working on these specific projects that I'm telling you. But why am I telling you about this, guys? Because I think the more development, the more value brought to the space, the more that it's going to grow, the better that it's going to be for all of us who are early adopters. And ultimately, it's just about growing the community. So that's my thoughts, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you liked it. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. That way you can take advantage of every little gold nugget that we are dishing out to try to help you make the most that you can in this space. So with that said, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. We'll catch you next time. Peace.